That's my custom cruise. Okay, we've done up the compensating nut, 150 and a bit pounds. Clutch nut under there, 75. This thing 10. This 9. Lock tab on. So basically this is going to come out, turn the engine over. Okay, the tranny's now filled up. We just got to join this onto here, which to be honest it looks like now the linkage is too long, because that's a different angle to what it was. It must have been more angular, more upright. Okay, that's not a problem to move or just shorten this. Okay, so new alternators in, a new everything, you know, everything's done. Might change that. That is still a bit warm. That's about the right tension in this. Given that the new bikes have got 0, it just shows why they're all blowing up. Okay, now useful things if you're going to do this sort of work. This is real thick, heavy grease. This is like tractor grease, ideal. MPZ engine assembly lube for any trannies or anything. You've also got Mobile 1 grease. This is fully synthetic, so it won't, you know, doesn't disintegrate and go away. Clutch holding tool, various torque wrenches. When you've used them, do wind them down, otherwise they will not be accurate. Okay, the new belts on, the new pulley was on last time, new front pulleys on behind there, new primary seal, new cleave blocks in the suspension. Stupid Harley idea, but that's what they use. Original wheel, which is actually pretty coolly amazing considering that's the original wheel off this bike. Brakes got to go back on. Tranny reassembled and rebuilt, new seals, etc. Beautiful police fleece boards. Police fleece boards, price some of charging, but police boards. And not a lot more to do really, just sticking various bits back together. Brakes, etc. Billet 6 brakes, as you know, very, very good. New mount here for the engine. You know, this is a rubber donut under there, but I believe that was changed, so I'm going to check that because it does seem pretty smooth and not a problem. The other great thing here, cycle vise, amazing bit of kit for the wheel. See, that really holds it. And also these handy lifts. The handy lifts are an amazing lift. It's a big American airlift. Absolutely nothing that good, I can assure you. Okay, so if you want to do Harleys, this is a handy lift, actual mini lift is another name for it. But this is a cycle mini, you know, mini lift from handy lift, and you can see you got different stopping points there. You can actually put bolts in there. Okay, so if you're interested in any great servicing items or great parts, powder coating, you can see here, you know, new alternators, new cleave blocks. These are the old ones. Stupid not to change everything when you got the damn thing apart, so they're all new in there. Give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruise.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.